Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Cave Escape by BudgieChirps. Looking at their code, we can see when I receive blocks, when actor collides blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Navigate your way through the dark and scary cave to find keys. Next we have Mega Castle Beta by Tigertime. Checking out Tigertime's code, we see received value blocks, clear graphic effects blocks, and set active on blocks too. Choose between an archer or a knight and fight the goblins. Next we have Be a Bacteria by Minion SL24. In their code, we see next costume blocks, clone startup blocks, and create clone of blocks too. Squirm around and avoid the other bacterias. Last but not least, we have On My Way to Treasure by 3 Dots. This user created a text coding game where you must take part in a horror game and survive until the end. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!